love my dog so much that why not have him displayed at the front of the house, so then when people go by, that he's like always watching people and always seeing that he's always there to welcome people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lauren here. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different, and basically I'm going to be doing chalkboard art. Where I live now, our landlords actually left us a chalkboard wall, so I decided to finally draw something new on it for the longest time because I've been wanting to do it for so long, but I've been so busy with work. I just haven't had the time. Even on weekends, I'm like, I'm too lazy. I really don't want to do anything. I'll leave it for another day. So I figured now that it's the holidays, I'm off for a few days, I figured today was the perfect day to do it. And of course, of all things I decided to draw my dog, Rocky. Because why not? I love my dog so much that why not have him displayed at the front of the house, so then when people go by, they can see that he's like always watching people and always seeing that he's always there to welcome people. So yeah, that's basically what I decided to draw. So if you want to see how I drew Rocky on our chalkboard wall, then keep on watching and enjoy.
Hello everyone! So right now I am just going to be drawing first off the basic form of Rocky, just like the basic shapes. As you can tell, I am holding my phone. I have drawn Rocky before digitally and through my sketchbook as well. I have posted those pictures on my Instagram if you want to check those out. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm just drawing the basic form just to see how I want Rocky to look on the chalkboard wall. As you can see, I am actually drawing the details of Rocky now after drawing the basic form of Rocky. So right now I'm actually just drawing in his fur just to make him look more like a puppy. So one of the other important details I'm going to be adding to Rocky is, of course, his tail. Rocky is not Rocky without his little fluffy mop-like tail. So yeah, I'm trying to draw in different directions. This is like as if he was excited. Typically, so Rocky's a Shih Tzu, so typically it would curl, but if he was like seeing people, obviously it would wag like crazy. And now for Rocky, just to add in some color into him. I don't have colored chalk, I'm just using plain white chalk, obviously. So just to make it look like Rocky has some color on his ears and some other parts of his body, I'm going to be shading in where Rocky would have color. So basically that'd be his ears and one of the parts on his body. So I'm actually using my finger just to kind of smooth out the color, just to make it look like it's a completely different texture. And then later on you will see where his feet are and his tail. I'm going to add some shadow as well to just add some more detail to him. So after doing the details on Rocky's body, I am now going to be drawing his face. Basically, this took me a bit. I'm very picky of how the eyes have to look. They have to, for me, they have to look somehow identical, but not exactly alike, but in a way somewhat similar. So yeah, it took me a few times to actually get the eyes the way I wanted it to. Once I did that, I shaded in the eyes, once I had it to my liking, just to give him some life. And I actually ended up fixing the nose a few times as well. I probably fixed it more than I should have, but again, I'm kind of picky about it. But yeah, I eventually got it the way I wanted to after a few tries of drawing it. So after I'm done doing the final details for Rocky, I'm basically adding the word welcome to the top. This is the first thing you see when you enter my house, so I thought a nice little welcome message would be nice. And basically I'm just adding some faux calligraphy to it just to make it more noticeable is the best way I can describe it. And then I'm just fixing up the small little details on it as well. And as you can tell, I was kind of struggling because even though I was standing on the stool, it wasn't my taller stool to step on. I'm really short, so this was kind of a struggle to fix some of the parts, but that's okay. And then I actually just went in to fix the final details of Rocky, and then I know at one point you probably won't be able to see because I'm kind of blocking the camera, but that's all I was basically doing, just fixing the final details, and that was basically it.
For watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me draw on the chalkboard wall. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to also comment and like this video. And if you want to see more posts from me, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link all down in the description box. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.